Hi, this video will show you how you can integrate along with Klaviyo to track users when they leave a review and to send the review request flow via Klaviyo. Here's how to do it. Go to the integrations page, select the Klaviyo card, and click on Enable Klaviyo integration. Then, in Klaviyo, select your account info, click on Settings and API Keys. Copy your public API key. Place it in the first field. For that, copy your private API key and place it in the second field. Save. Wait a few seconds, and this message will show up. This means the activation is completed. You can check that in your profile section, and the Opinew activation profile will show up. This means that every time you get a new review, the reviewer profile will be added in Klaviyo. Now that the integration is active, we can send the review request flow via Klaviyo following these steps. First, go to Collect Reviews and Request Schedule, and enable the Send Email via Klaviyo option. After that, we need to create a new flow in Klaviyo. Then click on Create Flow. Create from scratch and give it a name. Click on Create Flow. The following page will show up. This is where you create the flow for review requests. So first click on Metric. After that, select Eligible for Opinew review request. This trigger means that Opinew will tell Klaviyo that the user should be sent a review request. Click on Done. After that, grab the email action and place it below the trigger. Click it and then configure content. Select Drag and Drop. And for this example, we will use a one-column template. Then the email editor will show up. Click on the content box and write the content you want on the email. You can use the same merge tags you use in Opinew by clicking on the preview button and selecting the one you want to use. For example, we can start with the customer name. We click it and copy it. After that, we can start our email template. For example, by customer name. In the email content, we can write something like, please write review of the product name. Here's the link. You can set a link by first copying the review request link merge tag, and clicking here and selecting Other. Place here the merge tag and click OK. Finally say thanks. Click on Save Content once you're done, and then click on Done. After that, just set your email to live and click on Save and Exit. And that's it. You've created the review request flow. And that's it. The review request flow will be sent via Klaviyo.